Is your bike safe? This tiny gadget claims to scare off thieves with 110 decibels and smart sensors. Let's see if this rechargeable alarm is the ultimate peace of mind gadget for your ride. The first thing you need to know is the volume. 110 decibels is serious noise. It's not just annoying, it's genuinely startling, which is exactly what you want when someone touches your ride. That volume alone is a massive deterrent. But loud alarms often mean false alarms, right? Not here. They built in a 3D displacement sensor and an intelligent algorithm. This means it can tell the difference between a strong gust of wind or a passing truck and someone actually trying to mess with your bike. That reduction in false alarms is huge for daily use, especially if you park in a busy area. Let's talk power and convenience. No more fiddling with tiny batteries in the main unit. It's USB-C rechargeable, which is fantastic and modern. And they claim the remote uses fourth-generation power-saving tech, meaning you won't be swapping out those little remote batteries constantly either. This really does feel like a maintenance-free solution. Installation is a breeze. You get brackets, zip ties, or strong adhesive tape. It's truly wireless, which makes moving it between bikes, e-bikes, or even trailers super easy. Customization is key too. You get 7 levels of sensitivity. If you park in a busy area, dial it down. If you're paranoid, crank it up. Plus, you can choose from 3 different alarm tones via the remote. And speaking of the remote, it has a great range for arming and disarming, and that essential Find My Bike feature is super handy in a crowded lot. Finally, durability, IP65 rated. Constructed from PC and UV-resistant materials, this thing is built to handle rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. It's a true year-round security solution. Overall, this isn't just a loud buzzer. It's a smart, rechargeable security system. The combination of the 110 decibel volume and the intelligent anti-false alarm tech makes this a serious contender for anyone needing reliable protection for their vehicle. It delivers on its promise of peace of mind.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.